Hi there. Thank you so much for being part of the Haven family. Our partnership program wouldn't be the same without you. Today we're going to talk about a few tips for filming content if you're doing some videography, B-roll, or other creative endeavors. Please try and use natural light. It creates a nice cool and bright environment without it feeling too yellow or harsh from overhead lighting. You can see here we've styled the room quite nicely. Feel creative here. Show your favorite books, a cup of coffee, maybe a vegan smoothie bowl. Whatever you feel will show your Haven, how you Haven. When it comes to sound quality, try to get rid of background noise. Close any doors and try to ask your household members to keep it down just for a few minutes. Try to speak with a loud, clear voice. Take it slow, the audience will understand you a lot better. Try to clean up any accessories or clutter in the background that just aren't adding to the scene. Please try to wear neutral clothing, no obvious branding or logos or bright prints. Tell us what you like about Haven. Is it our social impact program, the 10-to-1 Safe Haven donations? Is it the fact that our ingredients are plant-based or made in Canada? What is it for you? If you have any questions or concerns throughout this process, please reach out. We're here to help, we're here to answer your questions, but please know we are wanting to see your creativity, so feel free to kind of go out there.